This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Christy Rucker. Open house Saturday 3/22 and Sunday 3/23 2 to 4 p.m. tucked away in the small, serene area of Oak Pointe in Harriman. This stunning 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home offers the perfect balance of modern sophistication and outdoor charm. It's ideally located just 3 miles from Kingston City Park, providing convenient access to Wallace Lake, where you can launch your boat for a day on the water or take a stroll along the scenic waterfront walking trails. As you approach this home, the charming front stoop welcomes you, setting the stage for the warmth and comfort you'll find inside this 2,500 plus square feet home. The expansive family room features soaring cathedral ceilings that create a bright, airy ambience, perfect for cozy evenings by the warm fireplace or family gatherings in the large open concept space. Beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring enhances the home's contemporary style with both durability and warmth. The floors extend seamlessly into the gourmet kitchen, which boasts stunning quartz countertops, a spacious island, and an expansive double pantry offering abundant storage, perfect for keeping everything organized and within reach. The main level also includes a half bath for guests and a master suite that is a true retreat. The master suite is complete with a soaking tub, double vanities, and an enormous walk-in closet. Upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms with large closets, a full bathroom, and a sprawling 500 plus square feet bonus room, ideal for a media room, home office, or play area. There is also a secret storage area for all your holiday decorations. Step outside the kitchen into the backyard to find your own park-like retreat. The large space is fully fenced and surrounded by mature trees and lush foliage, creating a serene, private setting. The newly stained platform deck and paver patio provide the perfect spot for outdoor gatherings and barbecues. Finally, the oversized garage offers exceptional storage capacity, while the expansive driveway provides ample parking for your boat or RV, making this property a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. This beautiful home in Oak Pointe offers the perfect blend of charming curb appeal, modern amenities, and an unbeatable location. Whether you're drawn to the peaceful surroundings, the easy access to Wallace Lake, or the spacious interiors designed for comfort and style, this property offers a lifestyle that's both serene and convenient. Make this inviting home yours and enjoy the best of both indoor luxury and outdoor living. Video walkthrough: https://properties.615.media/videos/0195A9BD0 AB7319A255674D4C1D1274 For more information, review the details below or contact Christy Rucker at 865-96